Brisbane was one of the nation's boom markets in 2024, and it's likely to do even better this year. The price data shows that Brisbane delivered a strong performance last year, both with house prices and in particular unit prices. It was third in the capital city growth rankings behind Adelaide and Perth. Figures from PropTrack and CoreLogic show Brisbane house prices overall were up 10% last year and unit prices around 15%. In 2025, we expect Brisbane to have another strong year and to overtake those other cities to be the national leader on price growth. Hotspotting recently completed an analysis of all the major markets across Australia and concluded Brisbane is likely to be the strongest location in the nation for price growth this year. Sales activity continues to rise across the greater Brisbane area. The vacancy rate is well below 1%, rents are still rising, and there's a major upward pressure on prices, with listings for properties for sale still close to the lowest ever recorded. Brisbane is also a standout example of the biggest trend in Australian real estate, the one we call the rise of apartments, which is a quarterly report we publish in association with national marketing company Newstar. More and more buyers of all sorts are opting for attached dwellings rather than houses on land for myriad reasons, including affordability. In the past year, units outperformed houses on price growth in most suburbs across the nation, and in Brisbane, this was the case for over 80% of suburbs. The days when the dominant paradigm of real estate claimed that houses outperform on capital growth are long past. The Brisbane market is underpinned by a range of important factors: population growth boosted by both internal migrants and overseas migrants, a strong underlying economy, big investment in infrastructure projects, and major lifestyle factors. The Brisbane market will receive additional impetus from preparations for the 2032 Olympics, which necessitates major investment in sports venues, transport systems, and tourism and hospitality real estate. The record shows that cities that host the Olympics receive a significant boom to their property markets, but in the years leading up to the event rather than following that global spectacle of the Games. All in all, prospects look good for another strong year for Brisbane real estate, and one that's likely to see the city leading the national pack.